I think it was 30 years ago. I found Dr. Nottingham through a friend, went to him, and I've gone to him ever since. I came to him and he was pain-free and very understanding and very gentle, and then when I decided to have more dental work done, of course, I talked to him and talked to patients and did a lot of research, and now I'm happy. It sounds silly, but a lot of people always tell me I have a nice smile, and I tell them, go see Dr. Nottingham. Everyone, I think, has a fear of dentists. And I think it was, the drill, the note, everything. But if it's him, you don't feel anything. I think it's just easier to smile. And I think it's easier to go to the dentist because you always want your smile to be nice. I don't know, it's a lot different. Everyone, I think, has a fear of dentists. And I think it was, the drill, the note, everything. But if it's him, you don't feel anything. I don't know, the end result's great, I think.